Absen's been in the U.S. since 2001, is based in Orlando, Florida, and is the #1 exporter of LED products in the world.
A unique feature about this wall is that you can really utilize every pixel. Use multiple windows, any scheme you want to really get your vision on the wall, and that's something that Bluewater and Absen are both helping us to really fulfill our goal and our end vision on that.
Absen specializes in direct view LED video walls. There will be no bezels, no visible lines. It simply looks like a large screen TV.
Having a video scoreboard is awesome in the way that you can do different promotions, any different sponsored videos, things that really bring in the revenue.
The other benefits are you don't have to worry about the ambient light in the room, you never have to turn the lighting down, and LED direct view video walls are rated to 100,000 hours to half-life. That's much longer than competitive technologies.
The scoreboard that Absen came out and provided for us has been great as far as clarity of the images on there, the smooth motion of any graphics that we have.
You know, Absen has been really good with follow-up and making sure we're satisfied. We had a couple issues with a couple panels, but they were quick to get new panels out to us.
When we partner with Absen on large-scale projects, the thing that I know confidently is that they're going to be there to support us no matter what we encounter. That might be a problem with an installation in terms of something that was unanticipated with the project, or it could be something that crops up as a defect in a batch, at the manufacturer itself. Whatever the case, Absen always stands behind the product that they sell, and they're always willing to make it right.
Bluewater's large-scale installations require great attention to detail, a direct line of communication with the manufacturer, and a relationship that's second to none, and Absen really provides that for us.
I just think, we're really looking forward to utilizing this wall to its fullest potential, having this as a meeting space, viewing parties for the Red Wings. We're ready to use that to its fullest potential.
If you want to learn more about Absen, you can go to www.usabsen.com. There you can learn about our products or even request someone call you and talk to you directly about us.